The purpose of this demonstration is to show the importance of using flame-retardant plastics in consumer electronic devices. Both of the televisions pictured have had their back electronics cover removed and replaced with a new panel. The new cover for the television on the left uses a flame-retardant plastic. The new cover for the television on the right uses a non-flame retardant plastic. Observe how the two televisions behave differently when an electrical arc is introduced inside. 26 seconds after the arc was turned on in both TVs, you can begin to see smoke rising from the non-fire retardant TV. After 1 minute and 30 seconds, the non-fire retardant TV is clearly burning and the volume of smoke is increased. 2 minutes and 55 seconds in, flames on the non-fire retardant television have become large enough to be visible from the front. No visible signs have yet been seen from the fire retardant television. Consumer electronic devices are everywhere, and this presents a concern for modern fire prevention. In the event of an electrical failure inside of one of these devices, the significant amount of plastic that they use can be a potent source of fuel. In this case, all it took was 6.5 minutes from an initial simulated failure for the entire television to become a raging fire capable of spreading to other household items like furniture or upholstery. It's for this reason that most modern devices use flame retardant plastics.